daughter of Annadurai, metric number A19A0793. I am representative of Group SIP 42. Our company service name is Smart Purchasing System. Our group members are Pravindran and Navindran. Of company service as Smart Purchase System, we going to present about the business model canvas. The business model canvas is playing very significant role of the business management concept or design very quickly and efficiently. So the page article function is the consistent visualization through the basic parts of the company. There are 9 elements of the BMC report such as key partners, key activities, key resources, value proposition, customer relationship, channels, customer segment, cost structure and revenue stream.
Hi and good day, sir. My name is Navindran Alagasan and my metric number is A19A0398. Today I would like to present about key partners. Mainly, key partners are the network of suppliers and partners that make the business model work. Companies forge partnership to optimize their business models, reduce risk, or acquire resources. There are few key partners in our business that work as our backbone to provide all good quality things in low prices and fast. Our main supplier or key partner is Aeon Supermarket. Aeon Malaysia Sdn Bhd is a company engaged in the business of sales, service and marketing. It has a long-standing presence for more than 30 years since it was first established. In line with Aeon to achieve total customer satisfaction through excellent service and innovative engineering solution with environmentally friendly products. All the groceries and daily use items such as fruits, rice, supplementary items, drinks and many more are supplied by Aeon Sdn Bhd. Moreover, the supply for service, which is for new type of supply management for customers. From this, Aeon Sdn Bhd help us to improvise our supply system from old to new one, which tolerate us to distribute the good to customer in a faster way. Thank you.
Primla would like to present about the key resources. Key resources are the most important thing to create value for customers. Key resources considered as an asset for any business in order to sustain and support the business. Generally, business organization key resources categories into 4 main categories, which is physical resources, human resources, finance resources, and intellectual resources. Smart purchasing systems business model is depend on its ability to provide high quality service to customers quickly and efficiently. Physical resources, also called as a tangible asset, which can be touchable as a equipment, inventory and building. Smart purchasing system physical resources are consist of kiosks, vehicles, factory, machine and storage factories. They are main physical property users. Next is the human resources. Human resources is most important to run the business. Human resources are required for interacting to the customers. Other than that, they also have the marketing department, IT system department and transportation system. Following with the intellectual resources. Intellectual department also almost similar with the physical, but it is intellectual such as your brand, patents, copyrights, partnership and customer databases. This is include IT system for those who deal with the service kiosks, or it include particular way for doing the things. Lastly is the finance resources. Smart purchasing system finance resources come from bank loans, owners capital and share the trade credits.
Hi and good day, sir. My name is Navindran Alagasan and my metric number is A19A0398. Today I would like to present about the key activities. The key activities mean that what the company should do make business model work. A company has to find out the key activities that are priority detected to be successful and the activities related to the marketing planning, administration, monitoring and evaluating. Good service at supermarket or hypermarket is the most important that we must do in this business model work. Market plan is also important because it get more customers and maintain the customers. A good market plan will help the business gain a bigger market and catch more customers' attention. A marketing plan is usually business strategy that consists of situation analysis, a good marketing strategy, sales forecast, and expense budget. Usually a SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunity, or threat analysis is also included in the market plan as well as a competitive analysis. The next key activity is administration. Administration is defined as the process or service of running a business. The four main basic functions of administration are planning, organization, directing, and controlling. We are going to make activities to get profit of it and also to make other customers in events that we do. We will apply organized structure to distribute the goods to customers in order to fulfill their needs. Thank you.
Next element I would like to present about the value proposition. The value proposition is a business or marketing statement used by a corporate to describe whether a customer should purchase a product or use a service. Why a customer should pick our service for another, citing the unique value the service provides over two constances. The first is fast and cheap service. We provide a unique composition of the service which provide a value to the customer by resulting in the solution of the problem the customer is facing or providing value to the customers. Nowadays, customers are busy with their work, so they are not have much time to spend buying things. So by using our service, make buying processing become quickly. Secondly is a low cost efficient distribution. Our smart purchasing system service are catered towards enhancing customer experience by reducing the cost a customer you unlimited incur catered to the cost reduction value proposition. Technology play as a great role in the helping consumer reduce a cost. Moving to the third point is our smart purchasing system service is become a just-in-time purchasing system approach for developing and operating the purchasing function. JIT purchasing is a tremendous effect to the operating of production, distribution, and accounting. So our smart purchasing system is an objective to establish a framework to improve the effectiveness of purchasing system.
Hi and good day, sir. My name is Navitran Alagasan and my metric number is A19803898. Today, I would like to present about customer relationship. Customer retention refers to the activities and action companies and organizations take to reduce the number of customer defections. The goal of customer retention programs is to help companies retain as many customers as possible, often through customer loyalty and brand loyalty initiatives. Retention is more sustainable business model that is key to sustainable growth. There are many effective ways to retain customers who are being with us for a long time or to constant the customer. One of the ways that we follow to retain our customer are by providing discount to the students and pregnant mummies who choose to buy things they need at our store in faster way. This is because we consider student life expenses and time. Discount can extract a lot of students and pregnant women. Furthermore, we also providing good quality service to the people to ensure our customer become regular customers and recommended for our services to them. Hygiene and safety is most important factor to be focused to. Thank you.
My name is Pravindran, son of Ravichandran, and my metric number is A19807191. My part of presentation is channels. The channels explains how an organization deals with and reach out to its clients groups to deliver its value proposition. It is critical to consider which route is better for the product and service we provide to meet customers. There are several channels that we use to improve our service and draw more customers. Our channels are supermarkets, social network, third-party delivery service. To begin, We use supermarket as our primary channel for packaging food and beverages to our customers. For supermarket, we offer by order items to take out and drive-through options for our customers to use our services. Second is very use social media to reach out to Malaysians who are interested with our smart purchase system. This is due to the ease with which they can access services across the internet, such as social media platforms, for example Facebook, Instagram, Google websites and WhatsApps, and it is an efficient way to give the required service to meet their needs. It also aids in increasing the business's earning more quickly. Finally, we use third-party delivery service as one of the channels by which we give our product to customers. Customers can order and pay us using online platforms such as Foodpanda, GrabFood and Damakan, among others, but transportation cost will be charged based on the distance traveled by the consumers.
Moreover, I would like to explain about the customer segment. Customer segment refer to the type of the individual and organization that we choose to reach directly to or serve. Customers can be segmented to distinct groups based on the need, behavior, and the trait that they share. Customer segment may focus being defined the demography such as age, ethnicity, professional, gender, or on their physiography factors such as spending behavior, interest, and motivation. Our smart purchasing system generally does not set any hedges on limit on its customers. Any person in community is the goal and priorities. Our smart purchasing system service biggest population is any culture is household family. Our smart purchasing choose a target multiply groups through our purchasing system service. Next, we also target hypermarket, believing that by using our smart purchasing system, they will be able to save money, speed up their purchasing, and reduce the number of customers queue at the cash reception.
Cost structure. Cost structure refers to the various type of expenses a business incurs, and it is typically composed of fixed and variable costs which remain unchanged regardless of the amount of output a company produces, while the variable costs change in the production volume. The cost structures for our smart purchase system is advertisement, employers, logistics, and maintenance. To begin, advertisement is must to promote the smart purchase system by posters in social media, banners in nearby outlets, and so on. Furthermore, logistics plays the big role in successing the service. Therefore, smart purchase system will deliver a product from a point to another point to complete customer needs. Other than that, employers are the effective role in preparing the services to consumers by arranging the orders based to its arrangement. Some other extra costs are water bills, electric bills, Wi-Fi supplies, and fire bills. Finally, the maintenance cost will be done once every 2 months in a year. Finally, revenue structure. Revenue streams are the various ways in which a company earns money through the sale of goods or the provision of services. In general, retail business revenue accounts are the more diverse as when compared to service provided business. Revenue structure for our smart purchase system is asset sales, usage fees, subscription fees, save time, rental, and licensing. For what value our customers really are willing to pay for smart purchase system is because of the asset sales which we sell the rights for physical products. Thus, we set a very reasonable price which is very affordable based to how many products customer bought for per purchasing and its usage fee. Furthermore, our customers are willing to pay us because we have online services too, such as Foodpanda and GrabFood, where they will supply the products by door-to-door services. Hence, they do have to pay some delivery cost for the transportation. Customer often can save money, so they do have to waste money and save their time just to make orders and payments. Other than that, Smart Purchase System also gives subscription fees to our loyal customers who have bought our monthly service subscription as a membership. Moreover, Smart Purchase System also uses rental as giving fee paying customers temporary access to an asset for a set period at a place to go on with the service, such as some supermarkets, Aeon, Giant, Mydin, and so on. Finally, licensing is more vital to charging customers licensing fees for granting them access to use protected intellectual property. It's also beneficial as it allows a business to generate revenues without selling services. Thank you.